Hello and welcome to the Smart Exceller. This video is about how to consolidate two Excel formulas into one. So as please refer to my previous video where in this video I'll be showing you how to consolidate two videos, two columns into one, or two Excel formulas into one. So I want to have on time and no overtime, and on time and overtime, late and no overtime, and date and overtime. The problem is I have made two formulas over here. So I can make this in the single one. So these two are the things which I want to make into a single category. Please refer to my previous video where I was taught you how to make these calculations. So first of all, if you want to make this, you have to put the dollar signs in these formulas, and then you can create a formula. So I'll be deleting this, and here also I already have these two formulas. So I want to combine this into one formula. So what I'll be doing is I will just copying this into Control C or copy, and then I'll be hitting escape, and I will be coming over here, and I will be putting an and sign, and I will be pasting the formula, and I will be hitting enter. So now you can see the formula is copied. So now we can I remove this and delete this also. But the issue over here is there is no gap or space. So what I will be doing is I will be adding a space. So I will be putting a double quote in the space, again a double quote, and formula, and I will be hitting enter. But this is okay, but the formula is not as what I have been decided. So you can see this on time and this ampersand is over here. You can see this. So I want to have this ampersand in the I want to have this ampersand sign in each of these things. So now what can you do is just if you go there you can see the double quote, so I can type anything over here. If I even type hi and I'll put in you can see it's been recorded. So what I will be doing is I will be adding an ampersand, and I will be hitting enter. Again you can see that there is no space. So there is space away, but there is no space. So what you can do is you can go to the ampersand which you have typed over here. So it is within the double quotes. So just go click the and just put space and hit enter. Now you can see. Now this is the thing what we actually wanted, and how I taught you how to combine two Excel formulas into one, and how to use the double quotes and ampersand. Now this is not actually required. You can type anything. Now if you write hi also, and you can see, so there is a difference over here. There is a space. So I hope you got this. It's very easy and very powerful. So if you don't understand too many lengthy formulas, first create a single formula, and then you can adjust the formulas accordingly. So it will be saving your space and time. I hope you find this video useful. Please share this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please give me any feedback if you have some better way of doing Microsoft Excel. So hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.